Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to become a network engineer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a network engineer. To become a network engineer, one typically needs to obtain a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or related field. Here are the steps you can take to become a network engineer. Obtain a degree in computer science or information technology. Most employers prefer candidates with a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. Some employers may accept an associate degree or relevant certifications, but a bachelor's degree is typically preferred. According to Bureau of Labor Statistics, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2021, gain experience through internships or entry-level positions. Many employers prefer candidates with some experience in the field. Internships or entry-level positions can provide valuable experience and help you develop your skills, according to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2021. Obtain industry certifications. Industry certifications such as Cisco Certified Network Associate or CCNA or CompTIA Network Plus can demonstrate your expertise and improve your job prospects, according to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2021. Keep up with the industry developments in new technologies. Network engineering is a constantly evolving field, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments and technologies. Attending conferences, reading industry publications, and participating in online forums can help you stay current, according to Network New World 2020. We have here the references or the sources. U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2021, Network and Computer System Administrators. We have here the link, and Network World 2020, how to become a network engineer, tips for climbing the IT career ladder. We have the link. Okay, so this is the end of my report and tutorial on how to become a network engineer. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.